Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this chicken gizzard and sausage vegetable sauce or stir fry recipe with you. Very easy to put together, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Effia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So here I have my nicely washed chicken gizzard, and I've cut it very nicely as well. I have a detailed video on how to clean gizzard on this channel, so I'll leave that video link in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so after cleaning the gizzard, I'll transfer everything into my cooking pot. I'll add some seasoning to it. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, next I'll go in with just a little bit of water. I'll cover it and allow it to steam very well. And we are back to check on our chicken gizzard after 10 minutes of cooking it or steaming it, and it's okay for me. I don't want to overcook this as well because I'm going to fry it, and also I'm not going to throw out the stock because I'm going to use it for something important. So moving forward, I'm going to transfer my chicken sausage into a bowl, and I also go in with my gizzard as well. And to also enhance the taste of this protein, I'll go in with some dark soya sauce. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some cornstarch. I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. I also go in with some homemade ketchup and also honey as well. You can also go in with some sugar, just a little bit of sugar, and you are good to go. I'll stir everything well until everything is nice and well incorporated. You can also go in with just a pinch of salt. If you taste for it and there is a need to go in with some salt, why not go in with it and you are good to go. Right, so after everything is nice and well combined, I'll set it aside and allow it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes, and afterwards I'll start to heat up my cooking oil and I'll go in with my protein. I'm going to fry this until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. All right, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the proteins as well for about 10 minutes, it is looking all good and just perfect. But one more thing, I forgot to go in with some fresh garlic and ginger paste. You can also omit this process if you don't want the fresh taste of garlic and ginger in your stir fry. Alright, I'll also go in with some extra seasonings as well, which is meat seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. I will stir everything together until everything is nice and ready. Alright, so after frying the meat for extra 10 minutes, as you can see, it's looking all good and looks very delicious. So I'll set it aside and proceed to the next stage. Moving forward, in a bowl, I have some dark soya sauce. I'll also go in with some cornstarch to serve as a thickener. I will mix everything together until the cornstarch mixes well with the dark soya sauce. Alright, so once that is done, I'll set this aside and move on. So moving forward, I'll heat up some cooking oil as well. I'll go in with some garlic and ginger paste, which will give the oil extra taste. Alright, while that is done, I'll go in with my chopped carrots. For this recipe, you can also use any vegetable of your choice. The carrots are really hard, so that's why I'm going in with the carrot first. So I'll stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on a low medium heat and allow the carrot to loosen up a little bit. Alright, so now the carrot has loosened up a little bit, and that's okay for me. So I'll go in with my green peppers and also some cucumbers as well. As I said, use any vegetable of your choice. I'll stir fry on a low medium heat for about 1 minute, and it should be okay as well. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, because subscribing, it is absolutely free. You're not paying anything when subscribing, so kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so now cucumbers and the green pepper is also done, so I'll also go in with some chopped onions, some scallions, and some cabbage. I'll also go ahead and go in with my proteins, which is the fried gizzard and the sausages. Use any protein of your choice as well, alright? And I'll also go in with my dark soya sauce and the cornstarch that I mixed earlier on. I also go in with the maize stock, don't forget as well, because it really adds extra taste to your stir fry. Alright, so after going in with everything, I will give it a very good mix, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And afterwards, you also need to check if the seasoning is okay for you. So I needed just a little bit of salt, and that's what you see me adding to it. You can as well omit it if you don't want any more seasoning. Alright, I'll give it a good stir. I'll cover it on low medium heat and allow the sauce around the veggies to thicken it up very well. Alright, so after 2 minutes, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it looks all good and just perfect, but the stock around it is not all that thick, so I just leave it for extra 1 minute and allow it to thicken up until it's nice and ready. Now the stir fry is almost done, so fam, just let me know in the comment section what you think about this stir fry and what you're going to pair with this. I enjoyed mine with rice. You can also enjoy yours with yam, plantain, bread, just name it. It goes well with everything. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you do what to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family? Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.